Emery grammar.
English grammar catalogue. Negations.
Okay, now let's look at our catalog for negations. So, I don't work. I don't work. I didn't work. I won't work. I am not working. I was not working. I will not be working. I have not worked. I hadn't worked. I will not have worked. I haven't been working. I hadn't been working. I will not have been working. Now let's try it with an irregular verb. I don't write. I don't write. I didn't write. I won't write. I am not writing. I was not writing. I will not be writing. I haven't written. I hadn't written. I will not have written. I haven't been writing. I hadn't been writing. I will not have been writing. There we go. Now let's have a look at the information line. So let's look at he isn't happy. He isn't happy. He wasn't happy. He won't be happy. Okay, and then nothing for continuous tenses. Okay, perfect tense. He has not been happy. He had not been happy. He will not have been happy. And then nothing for perfect continuous. There we go. That's the information line.
Emery grammar.
English grammar catalogue. Negations.